the Assist BI platform, using the Manage Schedule module, we can manage all the Power BI schedules of our organization seamlessly in one unified interface, offering instant clarity and control for Power BI admins. Here we can use this drop-down to filter this list by workspace, semantic model, and the schedule status. We can edit any Power BI schedule right from here without even navigating to Power BI across multiple pages. Let us connect this unconnected gateway to a data source and create a schedule quickly. The data source is now successfully connected to a gateway. Let us now create a Power BI schedule on weekly basis excluding weekends to refresh at 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. for this semantic model. By submitting, we have successfully initiated a Power BI refresh schedule without navigating across multiple pages in Power BI. Let us take a look at the refresh schedule created on Power BI using Assist BI. As simple as it is with Assist BI, we can create and manage Power BI schedules with ease. As we have already seen how Assist BI simplifies Power BI scheduling, let us see how Assist BI schedules take us beyond the native capabilities of Power BI. Firstly, it allows us to schedule on hourly and monthly basis too, offering more flexibility in refresh scheduling. In the hourly schedules, we can either choose to schedule for every specific hour up to 24 hours, or a single dedicated hour in a day. And using the monthly scheduling option, we can schedule the refresh on a specific day of week in every month, including the calendar day and working day of the month. For now, we'll schedule this refresh to happen on every second Saturday at 12 p.m. Additionally, we can set up to 3 retry attempts for this refresh schedule in case of failure. Assist BI goes a step further by sending real-time notifications on the refresh status. We can choose among different conditions and different channels to receive the refresh status notification. We can then enter our desired recipient details and submit the refresh schedule. With this, we have successfully created a Power BI refresh schedule using Assist BI's advanced scheduling feature. Unlike native Power BI, we can create multiple schedules at different time periods using Assist BI. For instance, let us create another refresh schedule for the same semantic model, now on daily basis at 5 p.m. Now we have 2 different schedules created, one to refresh the data on every second Saturday at 12 in the noon and the other to refresh at 5 p.m. every day. This type of tailored scheduling gives us an added advantage over scheduling through native Power BI. Assist BI offers one more powerful feature in refresh scheduling through its linked refresh option. Using this option, we can select a dataset and link its refresh trigger with another dataset's refresh schedule from the same workspace. This selection creates a refresh trigger for this period analyzed dataset once the sales performance dataset has been refreshed. By submitting the linked schedule, we have successfully linked the refresh triggers of both the datasets. Once the sales performance dataset refresh is successful, the period analyzed dataset refresh initiates. With all these capabilities in motion, Assist BI makes schedule management a streamlined experience for Power BI admins.